Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video. Have you ever been scammed while you're driving?
Yeah, man, long time ago. Yeah, so what happened was, the person, they requested a ride, then, they called my phone. They was acting like they would support. And
Whoa.
then they get your information and switch your banking, a number, like your checking number and routing number to theirs. So whenever you get paid, they'll go to their shit. So that's what happened.
So did you fall for it or?
Hell yeah, I fell for it. Shit, I fell right in. Because it was early. I'm like, oh, okay, shit. They was good. I didn't think nothing of it. And I'm like, okay.
Yeah, guys, that's why I never give your information to anyone.
Yeah, this
Uber is never gonna call you.
Right. Yeah, I know that now, but this probably was about maybe about 4 or 5 years ago.
Okay, it's quite a while ago.
Yeah, but now, you got this information, so now people are aware of the scams.
Yeah,